Yan si Prof. Prof.
Oh.
Anong may papaya mo sa akin, Prof?
Yeah.
Laughter solves everything.
You.
Because laughter is still the best medicine.
Mismo.
For your heart, for your mind, and physically, actually, you can...
Clinically.
Ang maganda sa laughter, walang overdose, and libre lang.
Tama.
Pero minsan may entrance.
May entrance.
Oo, katulad ng show natin. Oo, sa Don Conejos, sa Green Hills. This time, medyo may bayad yung ating laughter. Kasi premium naman ang makukuha yung laughter. Alright? And music from the Jump Pack Boys.
Yes.
The boys always ready to jump. And you know what? The Jump Pack Boys. Alright? See you, Don Conejos, Green Hills.